Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Quen here, and today I am here with my August kit lineup. So my first kit is Vibes by Jax&Pepper. This will be for August 2nd through August 8th. I tried to use all 3 foils for the month. The next kit that I will be using is from Simply Gilded. I'm going to be using my sub box kit, Whale Tails and Hollow. I don't know, I just need to go ahead and use up this kit and use up this hollow. Hollow gives me a headache and I need to go ahead and get rid of it. Here is the next kit. By Andy's Designs Co. It is not a foiled kit. It's like a coffee kit. Here are the full boxes. I recently hauled this kit. I don't really hoard my kits, so yeah, these are the full boxes. Here is the washi. I really love this grid washi here. The little heart checklist and habit trackers. Functional boxes. Some little scripts here. And I feel like I want to pick up some Coffee Monster Co. characters for this kit. I feel like it would be really cute to go with it. And here are the date covers and the glitter headers to go with the kit. And honestly, that kit could change. It really depends on my mood, how I decorate in my planner, so it could change. Okay, so the next kit is by Jkcreatesco, and I really love this kit. I love the feathers in the full box here. Super pretty kit, and this one is in gold foil. Here's the date covers and the washi, as well as some habit trackers. Your functional boxes. This one is the only one that is not foiled. Here is the beautiful bottom washi. It also has that. It also has the feathers in it as well. And you get some layering pieces. Super pretty. So the only thing with this kit, I have to see if I can find some florals to go with this kit. Either something like this or just something gold, some gold feathers or something to go with it. Last but not least, my August monthly highlights. I will be using this August monthly kit from Alyssa's craft shop. Like I said, I do not hoard my kits, so I just picked this up recently from a Oops grab bag. and it's in rose gold foil. And this one has a functional sidebar, and you get your numbers down here at the bottom. Get some frame boxes in your deco sheet and some more functional boxes and some icons here. And here are the scripts that came with it. So that is it for my August kit lineup. However, I wanted to ask if any of you would be interested if I did one of my weeks as a DIY weekly kit. Here is an example. I cut out some boxes or full boxes from cardstock, and this one was a beach theme, so that's how all of the full boxes look. And then I did cut some headers just in case I wanted to use some of those. So just let me know down in the comments below if you want to see something like that on my channel. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Bye. I also purchased a digital counting money jar because I want to count the change that I've been saving up for my like $2 Tuesday. So I normally like to use my change when I'm doing my $2 Tuesdays or when I'm doing my grab bags, and I recently used I think about $50 of my money in Alyssa's craft shop. So right now I have $80 in cash in my sticker money. So I need to count my change that I have. So I have my change in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and start filling it up, and I will speed this part up super fast so you don't have to sit through it.